Zero Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hi, myself Amol Nandev Kamble. I am studying in Jhil Polytechnic, Pune. I am from first year in mechanical engineering, according to all micro project based of learning activity. So let's begin.
Title of micro project: Prepare model of beam subject to point load, uniformly distributed load, simply supported overhang and cantilever type beam. This PPT created by the student of Jhil Polytechnic, Atharva Ravindra Dhamdere, Abhay Sudhakar Kulkarni, Amol Nandev Kamble, Vishwesh Yogendra Phutane, S. Sanjay Chorge. What is beam? Beam, a structure number, example timber metal that is loaded laterally sideways with force to its length. Basically, a load applied diagonally or vertically to the length of a beam girder to support a roof or floor. Applied loads produce bending in a beam. Bending is considered the most safer way to staging tension or compression a beam. Applied load can be point load, concentrate Kn, or distributed Kn divided by m square uniform load. Diagram of some beam. Typical beam type. Beam come in many shapes and size and can be classified according to how they are supported. A simple or overhanging beam are supported by a pintle and a roller support. Continuous beam are supported over several supports. Cantilever beam have a moment fixed at one end. Fixed beam are supported by fixed connection at both end and have end moment. Proper fixed at one end, supported at other. Beam analysis consideration. Beam are sized appropriately to safety support the load a structure will carry. Why? Material cost, fuel, injury, reputation. Beam are primary subject to bending and shear, hence designed to carry the shear bending moment. Also, the deflection caused by the design load. The reaction Ra and Rb of the load forces applied to a beam can be calculated, and also the shear bending, deflection and deformation. Learning outcome: civil engineering. In civil engineering and construction, calculation of simple loads applied to beam can become critical and require special attention, as well as accurate implementation of the result. A simple yet effective way of calculating the reaction to load, weight, mass, force applied to a beam is present here. Thought through example, derive formulas and expression. Example: note the reaction Ra and Rb at the end support with the load at the center of the beam. What is equilibrium? Static equilibrium: the state of a beam or object in which the load, weight or force counteract each other so that the beam remains stationary.
Thank you.